Hey, how's it going? Doing a quick video review of the Predator 11,500 watt generator. So just a couple things, just received mine. So overall pretty good experience. You do have to pop this side cover off here, and there's two side covers that are removable. One is on the right where you would plug in your battery, and then the other one is on the left here, which you're gonna use for your oil fill. They do have labels on the side that tell you which side's which, so just use those to determine which side. When you receive the generator, you just gotta fill it up with oil. It takes, mine takes 10W30. So I went to the local auto parts store, grabbed some of that, and it took a full quart, although it was kind of closer to the high threshold, so I'd probably recommend only putting in maybe 3/4 of a quart. Once you get that done, load up your fuel source. So for mine, I'm just using gasoline, but this is a tri-fuel system, so you can use propane, natural gas, or gasoline. Overall, pretty good experience. Popped off this other hatch here, plugged in the battery, which was already charged and ready to go. And you just simply select your system, set it to run. Select your fuel type. So here I've got it set to gasoline. And then you turn your breakers into the off position. Once that's done, you press twice. So the system's now running, and it's got no load on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug in my F-150 lightning charger to the 50 amp port, and I'll show you what it sounds like at about 80% load. Okay, so I got it all plugged in, and now I'm going to go ahead and flip the breaker on, which will energize the circuit. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my 50 amp breaker to the on position. You'll notice that my light is now on for the forward charger. And you'll start to see the power output slowly creep up as the charger engages. There it goes. Okay, so now the system is at about 80% load. This is what it sounds like from about 10 feet away. And I'm going to step back to about 25 feet. And this is what it sounds like from about 25 feet away at about 80% load. Where I'm getting that 80% from is it's pulling 7.1 kilowatts, which would mean 7,100 watts. The system's max concurrent load, so just continuous load, is 9,000. Even though it says 11,500, which is your peak, these 9,000 is what it should be handling maximum continuous. So if you divide 7,100 by 9,000, you'll get about 78.9 roughly. So it's at 78.9% load right now, charging my truck. And with that being said,
this is where it's at. I did do a decibel rating, and my decibel reading is showing about 63 decibels on average from about 25 feet away, and it's showing 70, right around 73, 74 at about 10 feet. So this concludes my review. Thanks for watching.